Hello everyone, welcome to the Digital Lion channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you everything you need to know about Redbubble before you start. If you want to know more, subscribe on channel and watch tutorial to the end. Today I will answer on all questions which you ask me about Redbubble. How to start, how to sell, how to design, payment method, how to set up store, how to create your shop store, how to make public your products, when do I get paid, and how to promote my store. Let's start. How to start? First, you need to create account for free. It's absolutely free. Click on sign up. Then choose artist sign up or customer sign up. Would you like to sell or would you like to buy? We will choose artist sign up and type your email, your username, your password. Then click sign up. You will create account for free. I will click on login because I have account. Click on account settings and let's meet with this website. You need to create your profile picture. Just click on choose file and upload your profile picture. Then upload your cover image. This is your private information and allow users to see my city and country on my public profile and choose send me bubble mail. It's very important for information, for promotion and for help for start. In bio, describe your shop, tell something about yourself and present your product. Leave this notification on, and this is copyright name. This is your shop name. My copyright name is Digital Lion Shop, and this is my copyright URL. Every account have that. Click on shop settings. You will have a design, and this is your featured collection. Right now I have two collections, and you will have also when you upload your work. When you click share your work, you will have product images you can download for free, and you can promote your product for free on all social media, on Google AdSense, whatever you want. You can click on how it works and you can read more about that, or you can just download and you can add your design on these t-shirts, on this package, whatever you want. This is mock-up and you can present your design live. Then click on protect your work, image protection settings. I place a small watermark in the corner of my images. On that way you will protect your work. Next is product pricing. It's very important. This is retail price, this is margin, and this is markup. I will set up on 40 and apply to all. Then my margin will be bigger and my earning will be bigger. On that way I can make more money. Next thing, it's Google Analytics. It's very important for your Redbubble shop because you can see all analytics for your shop. If you don't have Google Analytics profile, you can create for free and you can set up your Google accounts, and then you can connect with your Redbubble shop. This is my web property ID. You can check out on the internet how to create a web property ID on Google Analytics, or if you need help, I can create video tutorial for you. Just if you're interested, you can comment in this tutorial below, so I can create Google Analytics tutorial for you. Next is sales history, payment history. There you can create history for selling and for payment if you sell something or not. Next thing is message to buyer. My advice to you is to create a message to your buyers when somebody shop your product. They will receive this message like something like, "Hi, thank you for shopping," or anything like this. Next is link to other sites. My advice to you, if you don't have social media to create and to connect with your Redbubble, you will have more clients, more visits to sell your product and to earn money, of course. You will have more opportunity to grow up. Account details, this is my private information. Edit payment details. Edit payment details. You can choose your payment method. I will tell more about that. On Redbubble Help Center, you have answers on all questions. When do I get paid? You will be paid once your earnings reach $20, 20 euros, never mind, and we start processing payments of the 15th of each month. However, it may take a couple of days to reach your account. Back payments may take up to 7 business days to process. Payment options, and you can read more about that. My payment option is PayPal. First you need to create PayPal account for free, then link with your card in your bank, and when you verify your PayPal account, then you are available to add your PayPal account on Redbubble, and that's it. You can also choose Amazon payments, credit card, we accept Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and pre-debit cards, Apple Pay. You have a lot of opportunities here. Just like I said, I'm using PayPal. I have 2 collections, and right now I can show you how to create your shop and how to add your design. Click on add new work. You can copy an existing work, or you can upload new work. Help Center for design. You can also read more about that if you don't know some basic thing. Click on upload new work. When you choose your design, click on open. On the title, you can write your title of your design. Use some words to describe your work. In the tags, you can add some tags for your design. If you don't know which tags you can use, search on Google keywords and you can research the best tag for your design. Type a few tags, basic and important for your design, not too much. In description, describe your work to get your audience excited. Write some sentence about your design. You can also add Deutsch, French or Spanish language and translate your design on many languages. Just click on want to translate everything yourself. Then you can translate your design from English to any other language. When you finish with that, now choose product to sell. If you want to sell these shirts, click on plus, and this is right now enabled. Click on edit and check out your design. If you want to change something, you can do that. You can set background, you can set up your design resolution, choose some pattern, offset grid, regular, or leave that. When you finish, just click apply changes. When you finish with your product, then choose two types of media. I'll choose photography and I will choose digital art. If you have already created some collection, you can add on some of these created collections. If you don't, you will not have this option. Then skip this and click on anybody public and click on I have the right to sell product. Then click save work. Maybe you will wait for some minutes. This might take up to 50 minutes to appear. That means that you will wait some 15 minutes or more and your product will be available. This is my product. Click on dashboard, click manage portfolio. In this section you can create your collection. I have nature and ocean and my design is for nature collection, but if you want to create new, you can create, just click on plus and type name of your collection. You will add your design to that collection and be sure to click on available on default view and make public, anyone can see. I will check out for 50 minutes and then I will show you my design available. I think we cover all important and basic things. My 3 products, it's available right now. Let's talk about promotion. You can download your product images for promoting from Redbubble, or you can create a free account on Placeit website, which allows you to use their free mockups for your product. You can sign up for free. How you can create your mockup for free design here? Just type free mockup, t-shirts example, and you can choose free mockup for your design. Okay, click on insert image and upload your design. You can change, just click on resize. When you finish, just click on free download and choose free download. Click here to download. And that's it. Our mockup, it's ready for promotion. Just you can see we don't have watermark from website Placeit. It's a great mockup. You can add your logo design and promote your design on all social media or Google AdSense. And you can create a lot of free mockups for any product here. I just show you example how you can create mockup for free on Placeit, and also you can choose templates from Redbubble. Now, what is important is to link to other sites and to connect with all social media, and to add link from your Redbubble shop to all social media profiles, so you can get more traffic, and on that way you can promote for free. One more way how to promote your product: go to Manage Portfolio, click on Some Design, then click on Promote Products and choose some design, some product for promotion. Example, I will choose these t-shirts. You have linked share on Facebook, share on Twitter. I will click on Facebook and I will log in into my Facebook page account for Redbubble. I will choose my page, Digital Lion, and say something about your design. Also, you can copy link for promotion, you can view product page, or you can download images. I will click on download images. On that way you can download all images of your product, like free mockup also. Now I will show you how it looks, our design from Redbubble. Okay, what you can do is to click view product page and get more information of your product. So you can write in Facebook promotion posts right there. You can copy information from website. Don't forget, copy link. When you finish, post your product on Facebook. Right now, if you want, you can create Google AdSense campaign for your product. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any question, leave a comment. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you like it, subscribe on channel, click on bell and share with friends. See you in the next tutorial.